Hello everyone, quick video on how to use this ultimate speed oil extraction pump that I got from LIDL for £9. So yeah, I've deliberately not shown how I've done this because not being rude, but if you can't connect this together looking at the photos from the box, you shouldn't be doing this at all, I'm afraid. So look, it says in, out. So that's where the oil is going to come out, that's where it's going to get extracted in from. Even this little thing says in as well. Can't really go wrong. All you have to do is just use these clips that come with it to put it in place. So I've done that now. Link it to the positive and negative. And now, so I've taken the dipstick out, I've taken the oil cap off just to release the pressure a little bit. One little tip, what I normally do is I just warm the car up for about 3 minutes or so, just to get the oil slightly warm so that it comes out easier. So that's all there is. Now we just do the fiddly part of putting this through the dipstick there. So I'm not going to be able to do this while I'm filming, so I'm just going to put that in now and come back once I've done that. So I've pushed it in as far as it will go. Make sure when you do connect that up, that's turned off. Okay, so I'm doing is put it coming to this. Yeah, I know, shouldn't really do this, but got this empty and I'm going to take it to the recycling center. So make sure you take it to the recycling center, people. Alright, so here goes nothing. Hope it works. So here we go. It took a couple of minutes. Well, actually it took about 3 or 4 minutes just to keep pumping before oil starts coming out, but it's finally done it. Here it comes. So it's not the fastest thing in the world. You have to exercise a lot of patience, as you can see. It's coming through slowly, but look at the color of the oil. Definitely needed changing. So instead of just leaving this like this, I'll come back once it's pumped out a fair bit of the oil. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, I have to be honest, this isn't the smallest of pipes, so when you've got dipstick channel that's got a curve on it, it's a bit difficult. So I had to try these about 2-3 times to get it in properly, and then it started sucking up the oil really quick, and all done in 10 minutes. Remember, because you're sucking up the oil, it doesn't mean whatever you sucked out, that's how much you replenish, because this is old oil, so the engine may have burnt it. So look at the owner's manual to see how much you should put in. But what I normally do is put in like a couple of litres. On an engine like this, it's a 1.4, I'll put in a couple of litres, then I check the dipstick. So check the dipstick level there. So you got your 2 dots there with the maximum and minimum. Hold on 1 second. Don't worry, anyone worrying about contamination, this is going to get fully cleaned out before I put it back in. But you've got the 2 dots there, so you've got your minimum and the maximum. So you just, once you put the 2 litres in, because that's 2 litres I've sucked out, put in the 2 litres, see where it goes, and that's the maximum. So keep filling until it gets to about there. And what I normally do is once I've filled it, I turn the car on, run it for about till it's full temperature, turn it off, leave it for half an hour, and then check your dipstick again, because it would have gone through the system, and then check your levels, and you should really keep it bang on in between minimum and maximum. But whatever you do, you can put it up to about the maximum line if you want. I normally just leave it about bang in the middle, but do not go above maximum or leave below. Common sense stuff, eh? Anyway, do I recommend this? Yeah, it can get a bit messy, mind, so make sure you got gloves and loads of tissue. But if you want to get it done at home quickly, a nice oil change, yeah, I recommend it. 10 minutes, job done. It's a bit fiddly trying to get that thing in there because it's not the smallest pipe in the world, but maybe you can go on eBay and find something with a slightly smaller tube that then still feeds in here, of course. But yeah, slightly smaller tube would have been perfect, but it still works, it's functional. For a tenner, you can't go wrong. So yeah, give it a go, and I hope this video helped everyone. You can subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye.